Good morning. Let's see who's around. Hello guys. What you doing? Having a little chatter? Are you coming out? Oh, you're beautiful. These ones are last year's. They were tiny ducklings. And now they're beautiful adults. Look at you. Just gorgeous. Now, who else is nearby? We have a few Canadas, three little moorhen chicks in the distance. Oops, sorry. The other geese further away distracted me. More Canadas resting. And then we have the mallards. This is the first lot of ducklings we had this year. They're now very big. Look at you with all your beautiful feathers. Mama did a good job with you. Everybody's having a morning siesta. The sun is out. Oh, look at that stretch. Oh, I'm sure it felt good. And then nearby is the Canada family with the one tiny little gosling. It's not so little anymore. She's growing nicely. And you're so cute. So very, very cute. Let's see you more up close. They're so used to us being around that the parents are not bothered. At the very beginning, when they are freshly hatched, then there is some hissing and protecting. They still protect their young, of course, but because they get fed regularly by the visitors to the park, they get used to us. And you're so cute. Look at you. Oh. With the little daisies around you. You're a daisy too. We had one last year. Oh. And hello, little moorhen. Or not so little anymore either. You have feathers. It's just your legs are still black. You need to grow a bit more. And then they will turn green. I'm happy to see you too. They're usually so scaredy, they always run away, but the young ones have not learned the older ones' habits yet. Oh, there was another one, but it's gone somewhere else. The second one is here. There you are. It's just they're in the shadow, so I'm not quite sure how well they show. And the Canadas come by. Alright, so nice to see you all. One more look at the littlings there. She's moved closer to the ducks. You're gonna be friends, huh? Good. What's up, Mama? Do you wanna go down to the pond? Oh, that plop. As she sat down. Oh goodness. I could stay here all day, but I need to go. Oh. None of the water birds are around here. But this is such a lovely spot under one of the big willows. And the yellow irises are blooming. I've been waiting for them to pop. So nice. And what other little friend do we have here? Hello, darling. Hello. You know something? I have a different jacket and I didn't put any walnuts in it, so sorry. But look what's happening. They've all started running here. Sorry guys, I'm a month. Oh, hello. Hello. Sorry. Well, I was wrong. The other ducklings I just showed you at the beginning of the video were the ones that hatched first. The second, sorry. And these ones are the ones that hatched first, that are now fully grown. Okay. And then there's some younger ones. I have seen this mama and I have filmed her for you before when they were younger. Oh, you're all here and you're hungry. I cannot believe this. Has no one been around yet? Okay, I really need to go. I hope somebody comes who brings food for you. But go around, there's plenty of green things to eat. Oops. Okay, see you. Well, some of the Egyptian geese have turned up as well. Hello, beautiful. What you telling me? What are you telling me? And the third one. And the fourth, fifth, sixth. No. I really need to go. Okay. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Look at all of them there. Now be nice, no fighting. See you next time. Bye.